Hey guys, how's it going? Happy 4th of July. Today's the 4th of July here in China. Kind of like 13 hours ahead of you guys, or depending on where you are in the States, of course. But yeah, today is a beautiful day. We've been praying for good weather. It's been rainy the last few days, but today is just beautiful, as you can see. I'm up on our roof, and yeah, it's a great view. But I'm going to be going into town today. A lot of people enjoy doing fireworks, firecrackers on the 4th of July. Right now it's off season sort of for fireworks, but firecrackers you can still get a bunch, so I'm going to be buying some and having fun with those. Unlike the States, there's not so many stipulations on this. You know, it's quite dangerous here actually, and you can go check out my fireworks video though from the Chinese New Year, and I'll link it in the description, and it'll be like right here or something. I don't know. Go check it out. But yeah, let's head into town, get some firecrackers, and hear them pop. We got a lot of big firecrackers here. So we're going to pick out a few and then get them. Alright, we got the goods. Now we just got to drive home. See you there. Alright, this is the first round. This is the first round here, the big ones. But we're lighting it off back there first. Then we got a longer one coming. Alright.
Hey, don't push.
This is the second one. Look at how long it is. It's about 10 feet long.
It's stuck, honey. Alright, here we go.
Uh-oh.
Alright, that was awesome. Look at that. It's like that long. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll be seeing you next video. Yeah. That was pretty cool though. Look at all that. See ya.